In this video, you'll learn how to use protection measures in LRA+, create and compare scenarios, add measures with AI or manually, coordinate LPS and SPDS when required, and apply the configuration that brings risk within tolerance. You're now on the Protection Measures page, the last step in the structure creation flow. Start by clicking Add Scenario to create your first configuration. You can maintain up to 4 scenarios at once, duplicate a good setup to iterate, or remove any you no longer need. Each scenario presents a complete side-by-side view. On the left, the risk evaluation tables aggregate all structure risks you selected during structure setup. Rows represent individual zones and the total structure. Columns show the contributing risk components. Red values highlight contributors that exceed tolerance. Green values are within tolerance. On the right, the Selected Protection Measures panel is your workspace. It starts empty and fills as you add measures. You can work in 2 ways. Click Generate Protection Measures with AI to let the assistant propose an efficient set, or add measures manually by selecting the cell for the risk component you want to reduce. Let's begin with the AI route. Click Generate Protection Measures with AI. Review the proposed list, adjust if needed, and confirm. After a brief processing step, every measure appears in the right-hand panel. You can toggle any item on or off to see its individual impact or assess the entire set together. Editing and removal are available here as well. When you're satisfied with both the measures and the resulting risk values, click Apply Current Scenario so it's reflected in the project and included in the report. Now the manual approach. Click a red value in the table for the component you intend to lower. A contextual form opens with options relevant to that component and zone. Choose the protection, set the required parameters, and click Save. The table updates immediately, and the new protection is added to the right-hand panel. From there, you can disable, enable, edit, or remove it and observe the change in the table results. When a protection requires coordination with others, for example, an LPS that must be paired with an SPD at the line entrance of the same or higher class, or coordinated SPDs that require a matching line entrance SPD. The system draws your attention with a yellow warning icon and a highlighted border. Hover the warning icon to read the details. Use Protection Measures Coordination to resolve this. The coordination overview shows in one table the LPS on the structure, SPDs at the line entrance for each line you created within the structure creation process, and coordinated SPDs for connected internal systems. Each column header includes an info icon with the relevant requirement. Hover to read it. Set the necessary classes and you'll receive instant feedback. A red background with a warning if a rule isn't met, and a green check mark when coordination is correct. All explanations are available on Hover over the warning or checkmark icons. Close the window when everything validates. When you're satisfied with both the measures and the resulting risk values, click Apply Current Scenario so it's reflected in the project and included in the report. Then choose Finish Structure Creation to exit the structure creation flow. If your calculated risks are already below the tolerable level, you can proceed by choosing I don't need protection measures. That's the protection measures workflow. Create scenarios, add and coordinate measures, review their impact, and apply the final setup. Or proceed without measures if your risks are already within tolerance. For additional help, click Ask AI in the header.